Welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. As you all know that anytime I come across any airdrop or anything that I know will benefit my viewers, the first thing that comes to my mind is to make a video that will benefit everyone and make it easier for everyone to participate. So today I came across an airdrop that the project will actually be giving $100,000 worth of their token to all winners of this airdrop. So I would like us to all participate in this particular airdrop. At least if all of us or some of us can get, it's a win for us. So now I'll be showing you guys how to go about it. It's actually a wallet. They have a wallet, they have both web and app wallet. So I'll be showing you guys how to get both wallets. So for now, this is the links we'll be needing, which I'll be dropping in the video description. Once you open the video, just click on description, you'll see all these links there. Yeah, so the first thing you need to do is just open the Google form, because there are some tasks you need to carry out. So once you click on the Google form, this is how the Google form looks like. You enter, or you do all the tasks. You do the follow them on Twitter, retweet the link, copy the tweet link, input your Twitter username, Telegram username, where are you from, your country, you input everything. So but the most important thing I'll be showing you here on the video, which is this. That's how to create their wallet. That's a link for their wallet. Yeah, so they have both web and app wallet. So I will be showing you the web first. So to connect your web wallet on this platform, you need this extension, you need this link. So and I'll be dropping it as well in the video link. So now I'll copy this link right here, then I'll go to Kiwi. If you check the instruction, it said the instruction is, the instruction I have in the here, you can see it. It said install extension WaykiMax on Kiwi browser, not Chrome, not Firefox, Kiwi browser. Then we'll now go to Kiwi. I'll go for my Kiwi browser right here. I have my Kiwi browser here. I can use any of the two. This is my Kiwi browser. So I already have the wallet, but I will be showing you how to go about it new from beginning. Then I'll paste the Chrome extension here. Once I post the extension, so you can see top right corner here, it's asking me to remove it because I've added it before. So I'll just exit it. I'll add to Chrome. That's how it should come from beginning. So it will ask you all these instructions, then you say okay, just click on okay. So it will now be showing you remove from Chrome. So now that means you've added the extension to your browser, to your Kiwi browser. So the next thing you do is come here, these three dotted lines, click on it, go down, scroll down, you'll see WaykiMax here. This is it. So you just click on it, it will take you to their wallet. So it will ask you to create wallet now. Create wallet, confirm. You now set password. So what I'll do is I'll just use this wallet for the purpose of just demo purpose. So I won't be using it to run the airdrop exactly. It's just for you to show. I won't even save the key phrase. So here, let me just set any password. Let me use IB 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then what sign can we use? Let me use pounds sign. Then IB 1 2 3 4 5 6, then pound sign. Then you click I agreed and agreed service, and that's all you need to do. Then you click create wallet. It will show you your phrase, your mnemonic backup phrase. You make sure you back up this phrase and your password somewhere. Even if you lost your phone, you can access it. So if you are a Chinese person, you can actually switch to Chinese and you get it in Chinese. If you're a Nigerian and you switch to Chinese though, you start looking for a translator. But just since it's English, you use English. You can download it and keep it somewhere, and I don't need to download it because I won't be needing it. So for the purpose of tutorial, let's continue. I'll click on next right now. Click on next. So you can see, oh, actually I need to save it. I need to save it so that I'll snap it with a phone. So once I snap it, so that I can actually input it, because if I don't, there is no way I can actually use it. So I'll snap. Yep, I have it on a phone. Then I'll click next. Then I'll put it in order as it was shown in the previous page, which is fruits, assist, gym, room, sad, topple, stage, park, caution, ketchup, speak, and fantasy. Then we'll continue. So we have our wallet. That's it. That's all you need to do. That's what we've been doing since. Just click copy. Just click copy wallet address. Then you go to the Chrome we opened earlier for the Google. You just paste it here. After you've entered all this, once you submit, that's all you need to do for the app and for the web. For the web rather. So, and to go for the app now, just copy this link you're seeing here in the Google form. This link here. So just copy the link. I'll click on it. I'll copy link address. Go to either Kiwi or Chrome browser. I can just open a new tab here. Open a new tab. Come here. You can use both Kiwi and this thing here. So you click here, paste it. So once you paste it, you see here, if you are an iPhone user, you can see the iPhone logo. If you are an Android user, you click on Android. So I'll be using Android. I use Android. So click on Google Play to take you to Google Play to download the app. This is it. So once I already have the app on my phone. I use app mostly. Actually, I prefer to use app because there are times that you receive some airdrops, you forget you receive them. But when you have the application on your phone, maybe time to time you might be opening the app just to check if anything drop in the wallet. But if you just have only the URL, you might forget. So that is me for you. That I prefer the apps compared to wallet. So this was the wallet I created. If you are creating a new wallet, it will take you through the process of creating a new wallet, keeping your mnemonic phrase and the rest. And if you forget to click mnemonic phrase and you just pass through, you can actually still check your phrase later. You can click on this me here. You can click me. Then once you click on your profile, you click manage wallet. Manage wallet here. Once you click manage wallet, okay, let me show you where I click. Sorry, manage wallet. This is manage wallet here. So once you click manage wallet, the only problem is just that the app is actually slow. I don't know how they go about the app, but the app is a bit slow. So but once you on a norms, when you click on the wallet, it's supposed to show you the phrase, but I don't know, the wallet is slow. So let me just show it. Manage wallet. The wallet is very slow, but once you click, okay, it's up. So once you click to see your mnemonic phrase, now click on this export mnemonic. Once you click on this export, once you input your password, it will automatically show you your wallet, your mnemonic phrase. Then you can save it anywhere you want to save it. So thank you very much for watching. Always, and thank you for always being there always. And please, if you are yet to subscribe, please, below this video you see the subscribe button. Just click on it and also turn on the notification by clicking on the bell sign, so that you can always receive alert for any new video I drop. So thank you very much, and may God bless you as you click on the like button, and also may God bless you as you share with your family and friends. Thank you very much. Thank you.